Do you suffer from Kal Sarp Yog? Don't know or unsure? Welcome to सितारों की दुनिया। Kal Sarp dosh can be identified by a thorough horoscope analysis performed by an expert astrologer. However, this analysis can sometimes go wrong if the time of birth or date of birth is wrong. So let's talk about what does this term Kal Sarp mean. Kal Sarp dosha implies many meanings in Sanskrit. There is danger and a threat to life associated with this keyword. Of its many meanings, we can safely conclude that Kal means time and Sarp means snake or serpent. Kal Sarp dosh can cast its inauspicious shadow over property, finances, and health. If Kal Sarp dosha is not remediated, its influence makes the simplest of works the most difficult to perform. Certain practices, rituals, and ceremonies are a must if you want to ward off the effect of Kal Sarp dosham. First, you should stop worrying at all. While dark elements have existed in this world for centuries, at the same time, the remedies have always been around too. So how does one identify if they suffer from Kal Sarp Yog or not? There are specific symptoms that indicate this yog in one's kundli. They are: if one of has Kal Sarp Yog in their natal chart or horoscope, then they often see images of dead people in their dreams. Number 2, they see their dead ancestors or recently departed family members. Number 3, they may also dream of their own house and water bodies. Number 4, they may feel as if someone is trying to strangle them. How do you identify Kal Sarp from astrology perspective? The whole element of Kal Sarp Yog are based on the principle is divided into 360 degrees zodiac. You can watch my video about nakshatra to know more about zodiac and how constellations are spread across zodiac. When you are born, Kal Sarp Yog is formed when certain planets align in certain pattern that you come across the malicious effect of Kal Sarp dosh. A Kal Sarp Yog is said to be present in the horoscope of a person if all the 7 planets are situated or hemmed between Rahu and Ketu. Rahu is considered as a serpent and Ketu is deemed as its tail. In case of the Kal Sarp Yoga, thus all planets are surrounded by these malefic elements. In Indian Vedic astrology, Rahu and Ketu are considered as very powerful malevolent planet. And therefore, bad influences of these should not be taken lightly. As per Vedic astrology, it is said that those under the influence of the Kal Sarp Yoga are devoted to their family and the society. They are gregarious, nurturing, and altruistic in nature. They are not greedy or self-centered. They have to struggle in life and feel lonely in the time of their need due to this yoga present in the Kundli. Those under the influence of Kal Sarp Yoga have a great fear of snakes and snake bites. In fact, they often dream about themselves being coiled by snakes. They may also suffer from the fear of high places or fear lonely places. It is very important to offer a special Shraddh Puja on Shraddh Amavasya day or Sarv Pitra Amavasya day for those who suffer under the influence of the Kal Sarp Yoga. These prayers help to calm the malefic effect of the yoga on this auspicious day. This is a clear-cut indication that one suffers from Kal Sarp Yoga in their kundlis, and to cure this they need to seek expert remedies. how might you be suffering from Kalsarpa Yoga? As per sacred Hindu texts, it is said that we will reap what we sow. That is, we get result as per our karmas. This is very much true for Kalsarpa Yoga as well. If a person has killed or caused the death of innocent animal or a snake during her lifetime, then they will have the Kalsarpa Yoga in their kundlis in their next birth. It is also said that those with Kalsarpa Yoga in their horoscope have to take a rebirth to fulfill their unfulfilled desires. What are the simple remedies for Kalsarpa Yoga? As per Vedic astrology, experts suggest remedies to reduce the malefic effects of Kalsarpa Yoga. There are lifestyle changes, practices like not eating outside food for a year, avoiding alcohol and non-vegetarian food. These are the Kalsarpa Yoga effects. Chanting the Shiv Shadakshari mantra, that is Om Namah Shivaya. For that, you can watch my video of Shiv Shadakshari mantra. Performing the mantra Mahamrityunjay jap at least 108 times daily in an effective way to overcome this yoga in the horoscope. Chanting the Bij mantra of Rahu for 108 times and keeping a string of agate, a keek, in the hand. Watering a peepal tree every Saturday is considered very effective. Fasting on Nag Panchami and worshipping the Nag Devta on this day, or praying to Lord Krishna and offer 11 coconuts in the river on a Saturday or on a Panchami is effective. Offering 108 pairs of Nag and Nagin, female Nag made of metal, in the river, and offer Rudra Abhishek on a Monday is an effective remedy. Chanting the Kalsarpa Gayatri mantra is important too. The most prominent types of Kalsarpa Yoga are the following: Anant Kalsarpa Yoga, Kulik Kalsarpa Yoga, Vasuki Kalsarpa Yoga, Shankpal Kalsarpa Yoga, Padma Kalsarpa Yoga, Mahapadma Kalsarpa Yoga, Takshak Kalsarpa Yoga, Karkotak Kalsarpa Yoga, Shankhchud Kalsarpa Yoga, Ghatak Kalsarpa Yoga, Vishdhar Kalsarpa Yoga, Sheshnak Kalsarpa Yoga. When you perform one or more remedies based on your chart, you can start taking benefits from your yoga. So rest easy and let the benefit of Kalsarpa fill your life with new colors.